In a world where nature is fading and cities stretch as far as the eye can see, there is no room left for magic. But deep beneath the cracked earth, something ancient still stirs. Meet Leah, a curious and brave young girl who believes the world can bloom again. One day, while exploring the forgotten ruins of an old garden, Leah discovers a glowing seed, pulsing with mysterious energy. Legends speak of the last magic seed, capable of restoring life to the barren earth. But there's a catch. It must be planted before the mad eclipse of silence, or magic will vanish forever. As Leah nurtures the seed, it begins to grow, but strange things start happening. Flowers bloom where she walks, and animals long thought extinct reappear. But the seed's power draws the attention of the Iron Order, a group that wants to destroy all magic and keep the world under their control. Alone but determined, Leah meets Finn. A former member of the Iron Order regrets his past. Together they race against time to reach the heart of the forest, the only place where the seed can fully awaken. As the eclipse approaches, Leah confides in Finn. "What if I fail? What if the world stays broken?" Finn replies softly, "Even the smallest seed can crack the hardest stone." With the Iron Order closing in, Leah plants the seed as the first shadow of the eclipse falls. The ground trembles, and a massive tree of light bursts forth, pushing back the darkness. Magic surges across the land, breaking the Iron Order's grip and restoring life to the world. As flowers bloom and magic returns, Leah and Finn stand beneath the Tree of Light. Leah holds a single glowing petal, a reminder that hope can grow anywhere. As she smiles, the wind whispers softly. One seed can change everything.